Hello. So we are discussing the combinational logical circuits. So under combinational logical circuits, we have discussed about the adders, subtractors and code converters. And today's class, we are going to discuss about the multiplexers. So what is a multiplexer? A multiplexer is a combinational circuit in which it consists of a group of data inputs and the control inputs. So these control inputs are used to select the data input and it connects to the output, right? So in general, in this multiplexers, we are having some n number of inputs and some n number of select inputs, and we are having a single output. So the block diagram for a multiplexer is, so this is represented with 2 power n multiplexer. So here we are having, these are the data lines D0, D1 and so on. We are having Dn. So and the select lines are the control lines S0, S1 and so on to Sn, and we are having a single output Y. So this is a block diagram for a multiplexers. So 2:1 multiplexer, right? 2/1 mux. So here as it name represents, here we are having two data lines and one output, right? So here we are having, this is the block diagram, 2/1 mux. So here we will be having two inputs D0 and D1, one output Y and one select line or a control line. Yes, so this is the block diagram for the 2/1 mux. So when we are having, when this select line S is equals to 0, then the output is equals to D0, as it is having 0 and 1. So when we are having the select line S is equals to 0, Y is equals to D0, and when S is equals to 1, Y is equals to D1. So when S is equals to 0, Y is equals to D0, S is equals to 1, Y is equals to D1. So from this we can draw the logic circuit, right? So the logic circuit will be like this. So here I am having a select line S, I am also having S complement, two inputs D0 and D1, right? So from this truth table representation we can write the expression Y is equals to, so when S is equals to 0 means S complement into D0 plus S into D1. So this is the expression for a 2/1 multiplexer from this truth table. So when S is equals to 0, Y is equals to D0. So here it is performing the AND operation, S complement into D0. And when S is equals to 1, Y is equals to D1. Here also it is performing the AND operation, S into D1, and both this S complement D0 and S and D1 are combined with an OR operation, right? So now let us draw the combinational circuit by using the logic gates. So Y is equals to S complement into D0. So this is the S complement and this is the D0. So S complement into, S complement into D0. Next one is S into D1. So S into D1, D1. So these two are combined with an OR gate. So this is the output Y. Now let us see the 4/1 mux. So now let us see the 4/1 mux. So here 4 means it is 2 power n is to 1 mux, as we have discussed in the starting of this chapter, right? So here n is equals to 2. So if you are taking n is equals to 2, then it will be the 4 by 1 mux. So the block diagram will be like this. So it is having 4 data inputs D0, D1, D2 and D3. This is 4 by 1 mux. So n is equals to 2. So here we are having two select lines S0 and S1 and a single output Y. So this is the block diagram for the 4 by 1 mux. So from this block diagram, let us see the truth table. So here we are having two inputs S0 and S1 and the output Y. So when we are having two inputs, we will be having four possibilities, right? So that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So when we are having the inputs or the select lines as 0 and 0, then the output will be selected, D0 will be selected. When we are having the inputs 0 and 1, D1 data line will be selected. When we are having 1, 0, D2 will be selected and 1, 1, D3 will be selected. So from this truth table, we can write the expression as Y is equals to, so see, S0 into, when S0 and S1 are zeros, the output Y is D0, right? So S0 complement S1 complement into D0 plus S0 complement S1 into D1 plus S0 into S1 complement into D2 plus S0 S1 into D3. So this is the expression for the 4 by 1 mux. So from this expression, now let us draw the combinational circuit by using the logic gates, right? So here I am having S0 complement, this one will be S1 complement. Next I am having D0, D1, D2 and D3. So from this expression, Y is equals to S0 complement S1 complement into D0. So S0 complement S1 complement D0. Next one is S0 complement S1 into D1. So S0 complement S1 and D1. Next one S0 S1 complement into D2. So S0 S1 complement and D2. And finally S0 S1 D3. So S0 S1 and D3. So now all these four product terms are combined with a sum term, that is we will be combining it with an OR gate, right? So this is the output Y.